Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be reviewing Snapchat Blue Diamond Soap. We will be giving you insights on how this exfoliating soap looks like inside it. So sit back, relax, grab a popcorn and enjoy the ride. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Snapchat Blue Diamond Soap is a triple action soap made with natural extracts to restore your skin and make it firm and smooth. It exfoliates and purifies your skin by eliminating dead cells from your body. This whitening soap is very good when it comes to lightening and brightening your complexion. It cleanses your skin of impurities, dirt, makeup and excess oil. It also removes discoloration. It contains rich conditioner, collagen, nutrients and other active components that are specially designed to clear, nourish, hydrate, preserve and also improve the general well-being of your skin.